OneSky Localization Agent AI has just dropped, and if you're someone who's serious about mastering the world of localization and translation, this is the tool you're going to want to keep on your radar. In this review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful AI software that's taking the market by storm. First off, the OneSky Localization Agent is designed for businesses and developers who need to streamline and automate the translation and localization of their digital products. Whether you're dealing with websites, mobile apps, or even software interfaces, this tool makes the entire process faster, easier, and more accurate. So, if you're working in a global environment, this software is a game changer. One of the standout features here is its integration capabilities. OneSky can seamlessly connect with tools you're likely already using, such as GitHub, Slack, and more. That means you don't have to disrupt your workflow to get the translation process up and running. It allows you to import and export your project files effortlessly, which is a huge time saver for companies scaling their content. The AI engine powering OneSky's localization agent is truly top tier. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to automatically translate your content with incredible precision. While it's not perfect, it's constantly learning and improving, meaning that your translations get smarter over time. And if you're looking for even higher accuracy, there's an option for human review, adding an extra layer of polish to your work. If you're worried about managing multiple languages at once, don't be. The OneSky localization agent is built to handle it. With support for over 50 languages, it can help you expand into new markets with ease. The AI tool ensures consistency across your entire project, which is key when you want to keep your brand voice and tone aligned no matter the language. Another fantastic feature is its real-time collaboration. This makes it super easy for your team to work together on translations, whether you're in different time zones or working on multiple parts of the project at once. You can track changes, leave feedback, and make updates in real time, so everyone stays on the same page. Now, if you've been worried about the cost of using an AI tool like this, you're in luck. OneSky offers a free trial, so you can test out the software before fully committing. If you decide it's right for your team, the pricing is pretty reasonable for the value it delivers. For those new to localization software, this free trial is a great way to dip your toes in without any risk. The last point I'll mention is the customer support. OneSky has a great reputation when it comes to support, offering resources like tutorials, a knowledge base, and responsive customer service if you run into any issues. It's clear that the company values its customers and wants to help you get the most out of the software. So, to wrap this up, if you're someone who is serious about taking your localization game to the next level, the OneSky Localization Agent AI is absolutely worth checking out. If you're interested, you can try it for free by clicking the link below. Trust me, after trying thousands of AI tools myself, I found this one to be one of the most efficient and reliable out there. And before you go, don't forget to check out my recommended AI software list in the description. These are tools I've personally tested and stand behind.